If you wonder how you can charge your OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro, then we've got a few methods. The first one, you can use original cable that comes in the box, but also you can use the same cable from your phone. So as you can see, here I have cable from my Android phone. And when I'm gonna connect this cable inside the port of my phone, and then inside the USB-C port in the charging case, then this indicator will lights up, which means that right now the device is actually charging. I mean, my phone is charging this case. And it works the same when you try to use this charging brick. Right here I've got the USB-A input, so you can also use this kind of the cable. And you don't have to buy any specific power adapter, you can use the same one that you are using with your phone. You can also connect this cable to your PC, to your game console, to your laptop, or for example even to your TV, basically to any other device with power supply. And when this indicator turns on, it means that your device is charging, and that will be all. Thanks for watching.